Making a gun. Here's mine. Mine is awesome, isn't it? No, not really. From right there, it doesn't look good. But it does from far away. Like, watch. Put your hand over that for now. Like that. Ready? When I say go, let go. 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 Good. I think it was too big of a handle.
It's a machine gun. What do you think?
You know your money. You would have been dead right there.